Does your home have discoloured walls, bubbling paint or mould? Then you have a damp problem, and the longer you leave it, the more expensive it will become.
It's an issue a lot of homeowners are going to come across one time or another.
And remember, the damage you can't see is always much worse than the damage you can.
When we're looking at a building and we're looking at damp, certainly when we're looking at damp inside a property, the issues I always look for is what's going on the outside. Typically, look at this. This is a hopper. It's blocked, and what's happening is the moisture just keeps coming down this wall, so much so that it's actually moss has started to grow on the wall. So this point has all been attacked, and it blows the actual face of the brick off, and then that porous material literally sucks that moisture in, so the damp becomes worse.
To get rid of damp for good, your first step is a professional survey. Our team of damp experts can visit your property and inspect for signs of penetrating damp, rising damp, lateral damp, and condensation. All this advice is provided free of charge with no obligation, and any damp-proofing products you purchase are covered by a 15 to 25-year guarantee. Don't let damp destroy your home.